Bill Ornelli here with BuildYourArmy.com, automated sales funnels, website builder, and email marketing campaigns with free hosting. Design. How to make your sales funnel visually pleasing. Not a lot of darkness, simple images, big bright colors, maybe a video, sales letter, some photos, imagery, videos with a product demonstration if your product lends to that, photos of your testimonials, so the people giving you a testimonial get some photos there. Nice, simple design with one intent. Make the customer decide yes or no. Yes, I want to give this person my email address. No, I don't. Yes, I want to buy this product. No, I don't. But you don't want to do both. You don't want to capture emails and sell on the same page. You want to do one or the other, and it's one decision the customer is making. Keep building, enjoy your life. BuildYourArmy.com.